Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the TSL sensor with the 5G hub board. So first off, you want to go to our GitHub page, which I will link. So once you get to the GitHub page, what you want to do is install the master file, which includes all the sketches and things you need to run the code. So to download the file, all you need to do is click on the green button here and download zip file. Now once it finishes downloading the zip file, what you want to do is go to your downloads page in your file explorer, and you want to right click on the zip file and extract it. So my file's already extracted, but once yours is extracted, we want to click on the file and navigate to our kit sketches folder and go to lesson 23. Here we want to go to our sketch and we want to open it in our IDE. So now once we have it open in our IDE, what we need to do is go to our tools, and we want to go to our board and select the correct one, which is the 5G MB IoT. And next we need to connect the sensor to our board. So I'll pull up a diagram and explain how to wire up the sensor to the board. Okay, so here is the wiring diagram. It's pretty simple. There's only 4 wires. Now we want to connect the 3.3 volt and the ground wire. In this case, you can either use 3.3 volt or 5 volt. If you would want to use 3.3 volt, you would connect that to the 3 volt pin, and if you wanted to use 5 volts, you would connect that to the VCC pin. Now in this diagram, it's called VIN, but on your board, it's most likely going to be called VCC. So if you want to use 5 volt, you would connect it there. And now you want to connect your ground wire to your ground pin. And for the 2 other wires, the SCL and SDA, those just go to the corresponding pins. SDA goes to the SDA pin, and SCL pin goes to the SCL pin on the TSL sensor. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now once you've done that, you can connect the 5G hub board to the micro USB cable, and you want to connect that to your laptop or desktop or whatever you're using. Now after you've done that, we want to select the right COM port in port, and for me it's going to be COM4. And now once you plug in your board to your computer, both the board and sensor should light up. There should be a green LED on the sensor. If it's a little dim or if it's kind of hard to see, just cover the sensor a bit and you can see whether the LED is on or off. So now that everything's hooked up, we want to verify and upload our sketch. So now it's compiling the sketch, and after it finishes doing that, it'll upload it to our board, and the board might restart a couple times. Now if you haven't connected your sensor properly to the board, then it might give you an error, or it straight up won't just. Now that our sketch is done uploading, we can go to our serial monitor, and here we have all the information. So it looks like it's working well. So the visibility is how much light the sensor can detect. So if we cover the sensor, as we can see, the visibility drops down. And for example, if you flash some light on the sensor, the visibility will go up. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.